I'm Jo from E&S Computers, and we are here today doing a product review for the Sandberg 52032 gaming mouse pad. Now, Sandberg kindly sent us this review sample, so let's get it open and have a look. Before we do, let's have a quick look at the packaging. Nice packaging, ideal for sort of display purposes. Got your lightning strikes on there, and on the bottom you can see that the mouse mat has got Sandberg on there as well. So let's get this open and we can have a look. Open up the box. So let's get this open. So inside we have a Sandberg eSports e-equipment sticker. Put that to one side. So let's take the mouse pad out. It's rolled up. So we can see here that I don't think the fact that it's been rolled up in transit is going to make that much difference to the way it is on the desk. You can clearly see it's got the eSport on there. Feel wise, it feels very good quality. It's got an anti-slip back on there. I don't know if the camera can really sort of pick that up. So the mouse pad's not going to move anywhere whilst it is on your desk. And say size wise, it is 32 centimeters by 24 centimeters, and it's 0.3 centimeters thick. So, and you've got some whipping around the edge of the mouse mat so as not to fray. There's a nice finish on there. Now, I have two monitors, so as a result, I do quite large mouse strikes when I go from one screen to the other. So we're just going to do a comparison as the size of the mouse pad that I'm currently using, which I keep falling off the edge of. So if we grab this one here, and we will, so that's my current mouse pad, and you can see the Sandberg one below. So yeah, it's definitely a lot bigger. It's not going to take up a huge amount of desk space, but enough so that it is usable, especially for gaming. But I just do a lot of admin, IT work and website design, so it's useful for me for, say, going from one screen to the other and not worrying too much about like inadvertently falling off the edge of the mouse mat. So highly recommend. I say this is a review sample that we did receive from Sandberg, so thanks them very much for letting us have this review sample so we can do our product review for you. Please hit like and subscribe, and feel free to, of course, comment below, and we will get back to you. We try to get back to everyone that comments on any of our videos. Check out our other videos. There's one where I'm doing a custom build for a gaming PC, and repairs carried out by Eddie, and some custom builds by him too. So thanks for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back with another review soon. Thank you. Bye.